the last type of lighting is the artificial lighting here. As you see, by default the artificial lights will be off here, but once I click on this icon or this ribbon, it will turn off any artificial light that was in the Revit here. So I change the glass here to see the effect. If I click here, it will now re-render in the interactive mode, and as you see, I have some effect of the artificial light that were in the project. So you have just to turn the artificial light on in order to have the effect of any artificial light in your project. So Vray will take the artificial lighting that were placed in Revit project and take them in account in the rendering. So I will accelerate now to see the effect very well. So now as you see, the effect will be clear here for the artificial light, but it needs study about how to let's say distribute your light inside. I put them randomly just to have the basics of this one, which is the artificial light ribbon here that you can now click on it. If I click to turn them off, the effect here will be gone. In order to see also the effects more clearly, you have to go to setting, and now you have to go to the channels, and here we have light mix. I have to click it as a family type and then close this, and I have to render as a production to see the effect more and more clearly in the Vray rendering. So I will go now to close this and try to render as a production to see the effect of the light. Maybe it will take time. I will accelerate this process, and also then you can play with the image from the frame here. So as you see, the effect will be clearer here. More effect we have in the final render, which is the render production. So I will accelerate the process to see the effect now.